Welcome to Planter Garden TV. What's going on, guys? Happy gardening to everyone. How you guys doing today? All right, guys, so we actually, this about the third week heading for a month now since we have this cassava indoors. This is a cassava plant we're growing indoors. This is some of the cuttings that we got a root. And if you notice, since I bring this cassava indoors, this is the new growth. This is actually the new growth that's growing. So it actually shows you it's actually still growing, even though it's not getting that type of heat that it really needs. All right, so I finally done harvest all the lemon from my trees. These are actually growing really well. And guys, I'm not using grow lights. I'm actually using a regular bulb in this room. We also have the mango tree. The mango tree is doing well as we can see. We have the turmeric. The leaf is squealing for the turmeric. We understand, but look how these are growing lovely. So these are fresh herbs that if you wanna, you can just come and pick few leaf and you can put them in your pot. This is a pepper tree. I'm actually overwintering. I grow this one in container and I just decided to bring it indoors. I had it outside and the cold weather was really ponging it, but I decided to bring it indoors just to see what's going on. We have another lemon tree growing here that's really growing up. That's really growing and everything is doing well, even though they're not outdoor and they're not getting the sun. These are papaya tree. This is a papaya tree growing here. We also have a next one down there. This is a next papaya right here. We have here our moringa. It drops its leaf, but what I've noticed it start pushing up more fresh leaf. Even this one as well. We also have with soursop, our lemongrass. I think I need to give this a little water because I didn't water it since I bring it in. We also have a soursop and we also have a mango right there. So right in this room, guys, as we can see, we're actually able to keep these plants alive, even though we're not they're not getting the heat. We have avocado and we also have a yam still growing in this container. And this is the update, guys. This is just a fraction of what I'm growing. So garden season never finished for me. All right, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.